Have you ever felt like you were meant for something greater? That deep down you possess untapped potential just waiting to be unleashed? Well, what if I told you that the key to achieving your wildest dreams lies in keeping your head down, focusing on your own journey, and letting your results do the talking? Speech. You see, in this noisy, distraction-filled world, it's easy to get caught up in what everyone else is doing. Social media bombards us with highlight reels of people's lives, making us feel like we're falling behind. But I'm here to tell you that the path to true success and fulfillment is not found in seeking validation from others. It's discovered by going ghost, grinding in silence, and shocking them all with your incredible transformation. When you ghost everyone, you create the space to focus intensely on your own growth and development. You eliminate the distractions and noise that can pull you off course. By keeping a low profile, you can serve your energy for what really matters, putting in the work to level up your skills, knowledge, and mindset. Some might call this approach antisocial or even selfish, but in reality, it's one of the most beneficial things you can do for yourself and ultimately for those around you. When you prioritize your own growth, you become a better version of yourself. And as you evolve and reach new heights, you inspire others to do the same. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, but won't I miss out on opportunities if I'm not constantly networking and promoting myself? The truth is, when you're genuinely exceptional at what you do, opportunities will find you. People will take notice of your undeniable results and unmatched work ethic. Your reputation will precede you, opening doors you never even knew existed. The key is to focus on mastering your craft and let your work speak for itself. Whether you're an artist honing your skills in solitude, an entrepreneur burning the midnight oil on your vision, or an athlete pushing your limits in training, the grind is where the magic happens. It's in those quiet moments of intense focus and relentless effort that you lay the foundation for greatness. When you ghost everyone and grind in silence, you develop an unshakable inner belief in yourself. You stop seeking external validation and start trusting your own intuition and abilities. This newfound confidence allows you to take bold risks and pursue ambitious goals that others might consider impossible. The beauty of this approach is that it frees you from the tyranny of other people's expectations and opinions. When you're not constantly broadcasting your every move, you have the freedom to experiment, fail, and learn without the fear of judgment. You can iterate and improve in peace, refining your skills until you've reached a level of mastery that demands attention. And when you finally emerge from your cocoon of focused growth, the world will be shocked by your transformation. People will marvel at how far you've come and wonder how they never saw it coming. They'll be inspired by your dedication, resilience, and unwavering commitment to your craft. But here's the thing, ghosting everyone and grinding in silence isn't just about achieving external success. It's about discovering your true self and living a life aligned with your deepest values and passions. When you tune out the noise and focus on your own journey, you gain clarity on what truly matters to you. You start making decisions based on your own intuition and desires rather than the expectations of others. This inner alignment is the foundation of genuine happiness and fulfillment. When you're living a life true to yourself, success becomes a natural byproduct. You attract the right people, opportunities, and experiences that resonate with your authentic self. And even if the external accolades don't come right away, you'll have the unshakable inner peace and satisfaction of knowing you're on the right path. Now, I want to be clear, ghosting everyone and grinding in silence doesn't mean you have to do everything alone. It's important to surround yourself with a select group of supportive individuals who believe in your vision and push you to be your best self. These are the people who will hold you accountable, offer constructive feedback, and celebrate your victories along the way. But be selective about who you let into your inner circle. Choose people who are also on their own path of growth and development, who understand the value of focus and discipline. Avoid those who constantly seek attention or thrive on drama and negativity. Surround yourself with individuals who uplift and inspire you, not those who drain your energy and hold you back. As you embark on this journey of ghosting everyone and grinding in silence, remember that it's not a one-time event, but a lifestyle. It's a commitment to prioritizing your own growth and development above all else. There will be times when the temptation to seek external validation or take shortcuts arises, but stay true to your path. Trust in the process and keep putting in the work, day after day, even when no one is watching. And as you continue to evolve and reach new levels of success, don't forget to pay it forward. Use your own journey as an inspiration to others who may be struggling to find their way. Share your wisdom and experiences with those who are ready to hear it. Become a beacon of hope and possibility for anyone who dares to dream big and put in the work. In a world that often celebrates instant gratification and superficial success, ghosting everyone and grinding in silence is a radical act of self-love and self-discovery. It's a declaration that your journey is your own and that you refuse to be defined by anyone else's standards or expectations. So embrace the power of going ghost. Dive deep into the grind and trust in the process. Know that every quiet moment of effort is bringing you closer to your ultimate vision. And when the time is right, emerge from your cocoon and shock them all with the incredible person you become. Your greatness is waiting to be unleashed. Your true potential is begging to be realized. All you have to do is have the courage to go ghost, embrace the grind, and trust that your efforts will lead you to a life beyond your wildest dreams. So starting today, make the decision to prioritize your own growth and development. Cut out the distractions and focus on what truly matters. Surround yourself with people who support and inspire you. And most importantly, trust in yourself and the journey you're on. The world may not understand your path right now. They may question your choices and wonder why you've gone silent. But know that your time is coming. Your efforts are not in vain. And when you finally emerge as the best version of yourself, they'll be shocked by your transformation. So go forth and ghost everyone. Grind in silence. And get ready to shock them all with the incredible person you're becoming. Your greatness is waiting to be unleashed. Embrace the journey and trust the process. The world won't know what hit them. And remember, this path isn't about seeking external validation or proving others wrong. It's about discovering your true self and living a life aligned with your deepest passions and values. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and inspiring others to do the same. So don't be afraid to go against the grain. Don't be afraid to march to the beat of your own drum. Trust that your unique journey is unfolding exactly as it should. And know that every challenge, every setback, every moment of doubt is simply a stepping stone to your ultimate destiny. As you ghost everyone and grind in silence, you'll develop an unshakable resilience and inner strength. You'll learn to trust your intuition and make decisions based on your own truth. You'll discover a sense of purpose and fulfillment that can only come from living authentically and pursuing your passions with unwavering dedication. And when you finally achieve the success you've been working towards, don't forget to give back. Use your platform and influence to uplift and inspire others. Share your story and the lessons you've learned along the way. Become a beacon of hope and possibility for anyone who dares to dream big and put in the work. Because at the end of the day, true success isn't just about what you achieve for yourself. It's about the impact you have on the world around you. It's about leaving a legacy that inspires future generations to dream bigger, work harder, and never give up on themselves. So embrace the power of ghosting everyone and grinding in silence. Trust in the journey and know that your efforts are not in vain. Keep putting in the work day after day, even when no one is watching. And get ready to shock the world with the incredible person you're becoming. Your greatness is waiting to be unleashed. Your true potential is begging to be realized. All you have to do is have the courage to go ghost, embrace the grind, and trust that your efforts will lead you to a life beyond your wildest dreams. So what are you waiting for? The world is waiting to be shocked by your greatness. It's time to go ghost, grind in silence, and show them what you're truly made of. Your journey to greatness starts now. As you continue on this path of ghosting everyone and grinding in silence, remember that the journey is just as important as the destination. Embrace the challenges and obstacles that come your way, knowing that they are opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Each setback is a chance to learn, adapt, and come back stronger than ever before. When you're deep in the grind, it's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day tasks and lose sight of the bigger picture. But always keep your ultimate vision in mind. Remind yourself why you started this journey in the first place. What is the impact you want to make? What is the legacy you want to leave behind? Use that vision as your guiding light, your North Star. Let it fuel your passion and drive you forward, even on the days when motivation is low and progress feels slow. Trust that every small step you take is bringing you closer to your ultimate destination. And as you ghost everyone and focus on your own growth, don't forget to celebrate your victories along the way. Take time to acknowledge your progress and give yourself credit for how far you've come. Each milestone, no matter how small, is a testament to your dedication and hard work. But also remember that success is not a linear path. There will be ups and downs, twists and turns. Embrace the journey and trust the process. Know that every experience, every lesson learned is shaping you into the person you're meant to become. And as you continue to evolve and grow, don't be surprised if your goals and dreams evolve as well. What once seemed like the ultimate destination may shift as you discover new passions and possibilities. Allow yourself the flexibility to adapt and pivot as needed. Trust that your journey is unfolding exactly as it should. As you ghost everyone and grind in silence, you'll find that your relationships and interactions with others begin to shift as well. You'll attract people who are aligned with your values and vision, those who support and uplift you on your journey. And you may find that some relationships fall away as you outgrow old patterns and dynamics that no longer serve you. Don't be afraid to let go of what no longer aligns with your highest self. Trust that the right people will come into your life at the right time, and that those who are meant to be in your corner will celebrate your success and cheer you on every step of the way. And as you reach new levels of success and achievement, remember to stay humble and grounded. Don't let the accolades and attention go to your head. Stay focused on your mission and purpose, and use your platform to make a positive impact in the world. Because true success is not just about what you achieve for yourself, but about how you use your gifts and talents to serve others. When you ghost everyone and grind in silence, you're not just transforming your own life, but you're also setting an example for others to follow. Your journey will inspire countless others to pursue their own dreams and passions, to trust in themselves and their own unique path. And as you continue to grow and evolve, you'll have the opportunity to mentor and guide those who are just starting out on their own journey. So embrace the power of ghosting everyone and grinding in silence. Know that your efforts are not in vain, and that every challenge and obstacle is simply a stepping stone to your ultimate destiny. Keep putting in the work day after day, and trust that the universe has your back. And when you finally emerge from your cocoon of growth and transformation, get ready to shock the world with the incredible person you become. Your greatness is waiting to be unleashed, and the impact you'll make will be felt for generations to come. So go forth and ghost everyone. Grind in silence, and trust that your journey is unfolding exactly as it should. The world is waiting for you to shine your light and make your mark. It's time to show them what you're truly made of. And as you continue on this path, remember that the journey is yours and yours alone. Don't compare yourself to others or get caught up in their opinions and expectations. Trust your own intuition and inner guidance. Know that you have everything you need within you to create the life of your dreams. So stay focused on your own growth and development. Keep putting in the work, even when no one is watching. And know that every effort, every sacrifice is bringing you closer to your ultimate destiny. And when doubt or fear creeps in, remind yourself of how far you've already come. Look back on the challenges you've overcome, the lessons you've learned, the person you've become. Use that as fuel to keep pushing forward, to keep believing in yourself and your vision. Because the truth is, when you ghost everyone and grind in silence, you're not just transforming your own life. You're also paving the way for others to do the same. Your journey will become a beacon of hope and inspiration for anyone who dares to dream big and put in the work. So embrace your role as a leader and trailblazer. Know that your efforts are making a difference, even if you don't see the impact right away. Trust that the seeds you're planting today will bloom into a beautiful garden of success and fulfillment. And as you continue to grow and evolve, remember to stay open to new opportunities and possibilities. The path to greatness is rarely a straight line, and sometimes the detours and unexpected turns lead to the most incredible destinations. So stay flexible and adaptable. Trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor, even when things don't go according to plan. Know that every challenge is an opportunity for growth and transformation. And most importantly, never lose sight of your why. Why did you start this journey in the first place? What is the impact you want to make in the world? Let that purpose guide you and keep you anchored, even on the toughest days. Because when you're driven by a higher purpose, when you're fueled by a passion to make a difference, nothing can stop you. You'll find a strength and resilience within yourself that you never knew existed. And you'll keep pushing forward no matter what obstacles come your way. So ghost everyone, grind in silence, and trust that your efforts are leading you to a life beyond your wildest dreams. The world is waiting for you to make your mark, to leave a legacy that will inspire generations to come. Your greatness is waiting to be unleashed. Your true potential is begging to be realized. All you have to do is trust the journey, embrace the grind, and let your light shine bright. The world won't know what hit them. So what are you waiting for? Your destiny is calling. It's time to ghost everyone, grind in silence, and show the world what you're truly made of. Your journey to greatness starts now, and I can't wait to see the incredible impact you'll make.